So you want to go with number 4? Let the null and alternative hypothesis be.
Oh.
Sure. What null hypothesis? The U is what, the mean? Null hypothesis is greater than the mean.
Wait, which one are you on? Are you on 4?
Yeah, 4. My browser's funky.
Okay. Okay, assume. What were you saying?
So that's saying that the null hypothesis is either equal to 8 or that's greater than or less than 8. What's that saying? Assuming the population standard deviation is unknown.
Yeah, so the population. So yeah, the null hypothesis is that saying that 8 is the answer, but the alternative hypothesis, we're trying to find out if the population could be less than 8.
Okay.
And so for the assume the population standard deviation sigma is not known. So is the standard deviation known? No. I mean, the little s is the sample standard deviation. But I think number 4 is no.
No. Is the population standard deviation? Then it says what is the value of it, so maybe it is known.
You cut out for a second.
What's the value of t? Is that where you have to plug it in that chart?
Yeah. So you go. Just a second, Justin. Hey, Justin.
Hey.
We can hear you, Sarah.
Sorry if that was really loud. Really loud hey.
No, you're good.
Are you serious? Oh, there you are.
I had to close down my whole browser. Man, Opera's just giving me problems. I used to not have any problems with it.
Yeah.
I'm going back to Mozilla.
Okay, so did you plug it in, Josh?
I'm working. Is that where you plug in the template that was made for us?
Yeah.
You guys aren't doing problems, man. What'd I miss?
Nothing. Just 3 and 4.
You guys got started fast.
Yeah, Josh and I both have to leave it too.
Okay, all right. Let me. Part of it's getting into iLearn.
Okay.
Pause. Did you guys get a survey about iLearn 3? I just kind of reamed them.
Yeah, I don't know why they even have those.
Surveys?
Romance one, right?
How was your experience using iLearn 3?
About
It's
dating,
horrible.
of course.
I guess I'm thinking of a different one.
Oh.
No, there's a guy, I think it's the entrepreneur's site, actually.
We're on lesson 11, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys in the same room?
Justin and I.
Oh, that's convenient. Okay, I'm back. I'm up. I'm on question 3 and 4. It assume the population was known unless letter making difference about what has changed. We're just assuming it's not it's unknown, right?
Yeah, that's what we did.
Then question 4. Next two questions, the null alternative equals 8, less than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects sample size n and computes x equals 11. S is 6. Alright. Is this known? No.
No, yeah.
You just said it wasn't known. That's a weird question. All right, 5. What is the value of t?
Did you plug everything in, Josh?
See, I don't understand which template we use.
T.
It's
It's one sample t-test for means?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one I'm using. That's the one Justin just said to use.
Yeah,
So
it's the
you-
one that we just went over this lesson.
So you just plug in
Yeah.
where do you plug things in? The variable 1, variable 2? Because when I did it, you just put in all the data. Then I didn't understand the first part.
What did you get for
think you're-
the standard error of the mean?
You-
Does that change?
Are we still on 5?
That's where I am.
Okay, well, it's just that same formula. It's the first formula that was in the chapter, which is just the same thing as the other formula, but it's with the S, which they give us the S number there, so it should be easy to figure out.
So do we use the Excel or the formula?
The formula, because they gave us everything.
Okay, so you just do the x bar minus to find t, x bar minus mean divided by s square root of n.
Well, because we're assuming that the population, the null is 8, right? So you have the 11 minus 8, right, on top. You got 3 on top, right? And then you're dividing that S divided by 3. Or S, yeah. So an S is 6. Plus 3 over 2. 1.5. That should be the number, right?
Yeah, sorry, I was a little confused when I did it, so I'm just computing it.
Brandon, right? We're going with that.
Yeah, that's my name. Wait, what?
We're going with the formula. We're answering for t, 1.5.
Yeah, that's what I got using Excel.
Use the following values, which were pulled from the data body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into Excel. Oh, this is what you're talking about. You're talking about question 6.
That's what I did.
Oh, it's the other half of question. No, question 6. What is x? What is the mean? That's easy. I just gotta pull that stuff
How
up.
did you get?
Copy. You can't copy from Island 3.
Are you serious?
Oh, you gotta be joshing me.
You just have to type it.
Oh, fart.
So stupid.
That is stupid. If my Excel would not be so
Yeah,
slow.
can you just read me the numbers?
Boo.
Okay.
97.6.
What did we get on the last one? 1.5?
Yeah, yes.
98.7.
98.4.
98.4.
98.9.
98.9.
97.1.
97.
99.2. 97.4. 99.1. 96.9.
Oh my gosh.
98.8. 99.9. 96.8. 97. 98.7. 97.6. 98.7. 98.2. I'll keep putting so it's not.
Hey, do you
Okay.
guys, do you know where the easy place to find the qualitative analysis, whatever form, Excel?
Yeah.
Where is it? Because it's not in the data file, and just wondering where it is. Like I can't ever.
So if you,
I
there's
saved it
one
to
way.
my- and then
Did you
I-
try clicking on the link in the chapter, in chapter 11.
Is there another link in there? I think there
Uh-huh.
was. Oh yeah, I just did go back.
Okay, now what do I do? Why did it not calculate?
Degrees of freedom. Let's see, where is it? No, the body temp was in there. It's the, oh, there it is. There it is.
Well, it's not changing anything. Do I have to solve the mean by itself? Okay, it gives you. Yeah, I think you have to solve for.
Oh, this is the inferential, not the. All right. The only thing about this is the sample size for this question is. Oh wait, no, it's larger. Sorry, I was thinking about the previous question. We're good.
98.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, this is only 20. So this is a smaller sample size.
There are 20 numbers?
Did you get the mean, sample mean?
No.
Since you were the one that was reading off.
Deviation.
Huh?
How do you get the standard deviation?
No, the sample mean is the first question.
Oh, 98.2?
Oh, did you say that? Sorry.
98.22.
Okay, so question 6 is 98.22.
I just did the average, the mean of those all the numbers they gave us.
Yeah, that's the sample mean.
Good.
I guess I'll be doing this. P-value.
No, I didn't want to go
Decision
bad.
based on this evidence.
What is the sample standard deviation?
Well, I'm back.
Were you gone?
Yeah. Alive.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad you're alive, Josh. It's the same.
How do we calculate?
So what one are we on?
Josh, how do we calculate standard deviation?
Standard
It's the
deviation?
S formula. It's the one
Oh,
that
yeah.
it's the n minus 1. It's the x minus it's the x minus the u, right? And then over no, it's the poop. Yeah.
I'm looking.
It's the where you square it and then you put it
That old
over n minus
formula?
1.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 That doesn't even matter. Look, I put that in and I delete it.
It should give you. It should give it to you in the Excel file, and if you put it into the inference procedures.
That's because, like, a lot of these things
Does it not?
The Excel file?
Did I delete something?
Yes, so there's this formula.
It's, yeah, I think it gives it to you. Where
It should.
it's the. I put the numbers in, I got like 0.922 for the standard deviation. But I don't know if I have the null hypothesis right or.
I wish I could just like.
Right. So it's
8 less than.
Oh, you have a better one than I do.
So we're looking to see if it's less than 8.
97.8.
6.
No, less than
97.
98.4.
8.
Or go back to the original one just to make sure we got it right. For the actual.
At 97.6.
I'm lost.
97.
If you put it,
90.
I didn't put it in because it was, we were.
98.9.
Are you doing it again, guys?
1.
Yeah,
99.2. 97.4.
Really?
99.1. 99.1. 96.9. 98.8.
Oh my gosh.
99.9.
I'm gonna do it as well.
96.8. 97. 98.7. 97.6. And 98.7. 98.2.
Okay, so what do we say?
Yeah, we got,
Okay, so we get that standard deviation should be 0.922.
Yeah, Josh, you were right.
Good job, Josh.
So what
0.92.
was it? 0.992? 9922 or 922?
0.922.
Got it.
What is S?
T-score.
It's just it's 427 point
Pause for effect.
903.
T-score?
Yep.
Say it again.
427.903.
Again, that reads 427.903.
Is that just part of the template?
Yep.
Okay, where's that found?
That's
Are you
not.
looking at?
What?
I was just wondering where it's found or how it's on the template.
That means it's 0. 0.
Are you sure that's the right answer for T-score?
The p-value is 0.
That's what it shows. So we calculated T-score. We're taking, we gotta change the null hypothesis thing. What's the null hypothesis? Let's find where we're at.
20.
20. Okay, that's why.
Greater than. Wait, let me
What's our
see.
standard error of the mean? Or maybe that's already on that calculator. Yeah, that's already calculated.
I think it's less than.
Yeah, less than.
Change that to less than.
Maybe it's greater than.
Okay, I think I'm still missing something. So this n, it's counting all that, and then it's what's our n?
Our n is. Oh no, our n is 20.
Our n is 20.
20, yeah.
Sorry. And then null hypothesis is the pause for effect 98.6. There we go.
It's coming from that, and then so we're going backwards here.
We're going all out.
So that's and then this is referencing square root of d16, which we now have. Okay. So means of the same, standard deviation is still the same. Our t is now minus 1.843.
Yeah, that sounds more accurate. Minus. I couldn't hear you, Justin.
Minus, or so negative 1.843.
Okay, Brandon, you're gonna have to say it because he's so far away. It's coming out jarbled.
Negative 1 point. No. Yeah, negative 1.843.
Yeah, because the sample size. If you do the. Yeah, did you? I heard you doing the actual calculation, right? Based on the
Yeah,
equation.
It's all in Excel.
But if you want to go through it, we can.
Okay, the p value is 0.041. Is that 0.041?
0.04.
Wait, are we changing p-value now?
Wait, what did we have before?
0?
Well, yeah, technically, it's 0.041, but that's saying that the null hypothesis is rejected. So yeah, but sorry, I didn't mean to say 0.
Yeah, because it's below 0.05, so we reject it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
0.04. My p-value for some reason is 0.04048.
Yeah, so it just depends on how you run that, I guess. So if you take that fourth decimal place, then yeah, it would be. So I don't know.
It says round to 3 decimal places, so we just rounded the 8 to make that 4 or 5.
Oh, mine's 404.
Yeah.
8. So wouldn't it be like 40?
Okay.
Or is my did I do something wrong?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
I would agree with that.
0.62?
Except that's
Does that
not.
make sense?
That makes sense, but that's
Well,
not
yeah.
correct.
Yeah, if you go clear out here, yeah, you would round that. So I don't know how the teacher does it.
Okay. So we're changing question 9 to 0.040
I'll get it wrong.
instead of 0.0.
Yeah, and I just did the calculation for t-score manually, and it turned out the same, so we're good.
Sweet. That's awesome that you did the problem. Did the work.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't.
Did you find the Excel spreadsheet?
I did. I just didn't plug in all. I wasn't patient enough to plug in all the numbers.
No, that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next.
And for number 7, it was 427.903. Question 7.
No.
What did we get for question
Copy
7?
paste it into Excel. Okay. Yeah.
0.922.
No, we can't copy
Okay,
paste, but
awesome.
okay, 5.9.
Perfect.
1.4.
That's fine.
7. 62. 68.
Are we doing this again?
Yeah.
9. 157. 27. That's an outlier. 37. 2. 55. 86. 14. 4. 40. 36. 47. 9. 61. Oh, I went back to the
40
top.
minutes and plans its resources. 40.
Okay, now we'll start at the top. It's asking for the N.
So this should just be,
Is this total of those? So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm kind of glad we're not using the SPSS files.
it's looking like,
It's going to be 75 in St. George this weekend, guys.
Confidence level is 0.01, so that's 90. Confidence level is 90.
Sorry, I'm talking about random things because I'm bored.
Wait. Yeah. Sorry, Sarah.
Go brain power, meaning Excel file.
Yeah, 40. And then it's not equal to. Or not yet.
How big is the sample? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Okay, we got the mean. Is it asking for the mean? No, it asks for the p-value.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is it 21? Is
So
that
the
our sample
p-value is
size?
1.
21?
No, the p-value would be...
No, sorry. P-value is going to be something different.
P-value is 0.995.
Okay.
I got.
That means you would fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Correct.
you decide to try another.
This time you use
40.
you'd be less than 40, not that it won't equal 40, and you keep the same level of significance.
So that's close. No, it's not even close.
It's not.
Wow. That's
Did the p-value decrease or increase?
Decreased, right?
Decreased.
It should, because you're saying less than 40.
And then you still fell.
Yeah, it would still fail to reject the null because the level of significance is 0.01.
Say that again.
Because
the significance is.
Because the level of significance is 0.01.
That's right. We changed the vote.
So the confidence interval is 90%. I think.
The p-value is still like super close to 1. So it's like, yeah, still higher than.
Where does that say? Just a second.
The lower level would be. You guys have the z, which would be for 95%, it's 1.96.
Sorry, I think I got this wrong. Just a second. It's 99%, not 90%. I messed up. So
Yeah, 1.96.
0.99.
For the confidence level?
That doesn't change anything.
Oh, it's the confidence.
So the confidence level is 1 minus 0.01, which is 0.99. But I don't think it would change the p-value of the other do equal to again.
Yeah.
No, stay the same.
Okay. Where did you see that it was?
That doesn't make sense. Oh well.
Are they asking for basically the margin of error instead of what? Does that make sense? It seems like it's more like they're asking like the margin of error on the lower end. So x minus the 1.96 times the. Where do we get the? I guess it would be s over square root of n.
So they're just asking for the
Right, the lower end of the 95.
lower
Just like
upper
we were
control
doing
limit.
the other day.
And I think it just computes them for us. It's just the confidence intervals.
You achieve the confidence of 95. It is now 95%. In the confidence interval. Okay, the lower end.
Is the null hypothesis to 40?
Yeah, that thing changes.
Lower end, yeah, it's 23.
Okay, the lower end is 23.499.
Is this the one that we got?
Around to 1 decimal place. So it's 23.5.
Oh,
Okay, 23.5. And then what is the upper limit of the confidence interval?
So we'll just add that to the 40.
It'd be 56.6.
that's good. Because, yeah, if you're just adding just 40, then it should have been. Plus or minus.
That's what I got. So
Yeah.
What'd you guys get for 14? Oh,
Failed to.
never mind. I got
14.
it.
Is it fail to reject or is it?
It's still be failed to reject. It's the 0, 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I just forgot to click save. Okay.
So, let me understand what I mean.
This was pretty straightforward.
I guess weird. But you're subtracting what from what to get.
You would take.
I guess all the equation. So I'm taking 1 minus the confidence interval, which goes 5.
We good? We gonna submit? You really need to fix that. Being able to paste from the quiz.
I should put that yesterday on it. I should have made that in my comments. Oh, no,
Did anyone submit it?
No, out of just pure wanting to do this myself, I'm starting to plug in numbers just to go over it. There's
No way. You got them all right. Good job, guys.
Thank you, Excel.
right?
Mhm.
Okay, well, I gotta head out.
All right, good luck, guys. Have a good day.
All
Thanks.
right.
If
See
you
you
guys
next
have
week.
questions,
Yeah.
you guys can message, and I can call you guys, and we can go through what Excel does.
Homework.
Yeah, or homework or anything.
You guys have Monday off.
I got that if I did the
Yeah.
recording. Do you have Monday off?
Online classes do not,
No.
they're exempt from any kind of holidays, even Thanksgiving last year. I was really annoyed.
Yeah, they're dumb online.
Yeah.
39.922.
Yeah. It's been good. Okay, well, I'll let you guys go.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks, guys.